Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Ma'am, which topic will you tell today?
I will tell my childhood days, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
My sweet memories, sir.
Yes, ma'am. And share. We are waiting here.
Oh, I am very interesting, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me.
My village name is Potarlanka, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, my name is Rani.
Yeah.
We are staying in Poranki only.
Yeah.
In my olden day, in my childhood days, my mother, father, and my sister and I, we are living in. We lived at Potarlanka.
Yes, ma'am.
My sister studied 10th class only.
Okay.
I am also studied 10th class only. In my Potarlanka school, there is only 7th standard.
Yes, ma'am.
I completed my 7th standard. I have a lot of friends there.
Okay.
Only 3 members girls and 3 members boys daily went to higher studies in Donepudi.
Okay, ma'am.
We 6 members completed 10th class in Donepudi. In that time, final exams we wrote Kolluru on by foot only. We went to write final exams. My mom packed lunch, snacks, and other things to me
Yeah.
for wrote exams perfectly.
Okay, ma'am.
We wrote exams. We got 84%
Oh, excellent.
in that days.
Yes, nice.
I got maths 70%.
Okay.
But I didn't get first class. I get 54% in Hindi.
Okay.
In school, in that days, I am only first student.
Oh, nice, ma'am. Yes.
And that's sir, my father stopped my studies.
Yeah.
But one day, my uncle's son came to my house. He asked my father, why did you stop Rani's studies? He told, we have no money. That's why I stopped her studies. He said, no, I will take Rani to my house.
Yeah.
I will take care of her.
Yeah.
I went to Vijayawada.
Oh.
And then I complete ITI in civil.
Oh. Nice.
And then he very good take care of me.
And motivate also.
I motivate also. I always didn't remember my mama's son, but he is no more.
Oh.
And then I completed shorthand, higher, lower, English typewriting, Telugu, English, higher, lower.
Yeah.
I worked as a typist in Tagore Type Institute
Why
2
not,
years.
I know Tagore in Vijayawada.
In Vijayawada, in Padmata, sir.
Yes, I know, ma'am. I went there.
I worked as a typist come steno 2 years.
Okay, ma'am.
And then I selected in quality ice creams for steno and accounts office typist.
Okay.
I joined that quality ice creams. I worked as a steno cum typist in AO office.
Yes.
I worked at quality ice creams for 2 years.
Okay, ma'am.
And then my marriage fixed.
Yes, ma'am.
We went to Chennai.
Yeah.
That's all, sir. My childhood.
Okay, excellent, ma'am.
Before marriage.
Before marriage.
What happened? You explained.
Yes, sir.
Nice,
Before childhood to before marriage.
Before
That
marriage.
is teenage. Yes, childhood to teenage, ma'am.
Teenage.
This is called. There are 4 stages in our ma'am.
Yes.
That one, no? Childhood. Next one is teenage.
Teenage.
Okay, ma'am. And third one is manhood.
Manhood.
Yeah. And the last one is old age.
Old age.
Yes.
Now I am in old age, sir.
Oh, yeah. You are always child.
Child.
Not only you because maybe
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ.
nice talking to you. We enjoy it.